Hello, welcome again to Gbope TV. Today I'm having a video for you of how to withdraw your funds from your Binance account. Now cryptocurrency became the biggest money and good way to make money online. Now people are online trading with cryptocurrency. If you're someone who is new and you want to trade with cryptocurrency and you don't even know how to, just put it on the comment button. I really recommend your comment a lot because that is what is going to direct me to do whatever you people want. So now, for today, we are going to look at how to withdraw your money from your Binance account into your mobile money account. Now, Binance in all the cryptocurrency, I recommend for you to use. You can use it to buy all your cryptocurrency, to trade with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, USDT, with almost all the cryptocurrency in the world. So, for you not to lose your cryptocurrency. Now even there are betting where you can bet and get cryptocurrency. Anywhere you work and they pay you with cryptocurrency. I recommend Binance for you to use your Binance to receive the money. It's easier for you to withdraw your money from Binance. Now, for us not to waste time, if you are here and you want to withdraw your money from Binance, what you're going to do is you open your Binance account. When you open your Binance app and it is on light. Now, I'm going to show you these pictures that you just follow and you do it, and a video will come out right now. So let's go to a photo now. Let's say for instance your Binance app is under light. This is Binance light. So what you're going to do is, you see something like a human head at the left side, the left corner. So let's put an arrow in it for you to see the arrow. You see the arrow, where the arrow is going, just tap on it and off the light. So when you off the light, you see that the interface will look like something like this. So now, when you finish and you enter your banners, this is how it is going to look like.
So when you open your Binance, you come to P2P, the P2P trading. The P2P trading, you click on it. So the money is in your account. You come to sell. You press on the sell. Then the amount under the USDT, you change the amount because it's for USDT. You put 14 cities. Then you confirm. When you confirm, you choose. Let's say you choose the first person or the second person. You check at their percentage. The first person has 95.69%. The second person has 87 points. The third person has 97 points. So the 97%, you can trust the person. Then you press on the sale. Then you press all. So when you press all, then you come to, I don't have money USDT in my account now. So you see the road, my minimum is what, 2.1. I don't have money in my account now. Then you see select payment method. Then you press on select payment method. Then you add your payment method. You see we have MTN Mobile Money, Vodafone Cash, Airtel Money, Tigo Money. So you add, then you press on sell. That's all.